Welcome to day number 2 of trying something new. um, as I mentioned in the prior video, I kind of wanted to do something where it's got a couple videos in a row, really not Vlogmas or whatever it's called. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. But I want to try a couple things that were new, and the first thing that I think I'm going to try is AirPods case. AirPods. I think that's what the file's called. Anyways, I have just about everything that I need. I'm pretty sure I do. I'm nervous because if I ruin this, I ruin it, but it's okay. I have all their like little ones that I can try out, but I don't know which one to pick and ruin first because I have to find the settings for my silhouette to make sure that this cuts through correctly, and I'm afraid. Sometimes she cooperates and sometimes she's a diva and decides that she is doing whatever she wants and it's just not going to go the way that it's supposed to. Like that one over there and that one down there. Yes. So as I show in the other videos, I have these here and I'm going to pick from one of these to be the first one to try out and see how this works. So it's going to be all one piece. So I don't want to ruin my mustache either. You see that? Mustache. Let's go with a heart. I'll give me some love if I mess up. I'll just look at it and remember it's okay. So that is the first step. I have that. I already have the file that I purchased. I'll link that down below as well.
This is a dance.
Okay, go. I love them. I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, I love you so much. How's the entertainment from the day? I love my son. I absolutely love my son. Oh, that was a good laugh. Okay, getting back to the project. All right, so we're going to go with this one. I have everything I need. I just don't know what size I need for this. So I'm going to have both of these out. On the other video, I did link down below where I got these from. I'll do the same thing here. They're the Rivets. One is 6, one is 8. And as I mentioned on the other video, if you have their press, you can just buy the pieces for it and use your press, which awesome. You can buy these all as a set or you can buy them individually. They do have bigger sizes. I just went with these two to kind of try this out. I figured something small would do because it's just a small case. I had also purchased these and the Rivets all came from the same place, which I linked those again below. And then this actually came from Amazon, so I will try those. First thing I did was measure my leather here. As you can tell, it's not a very big piece. So I did measure this, and I have my mat, my cutting mat here, so I can just lay it on there. So this is just about 11 by almost 8, just shy of 8. I did buy a brand new mat. The mats I had were old and they weren't sticking anymore, especially after I did all that stuff for my first craft fair. Oh, I forgot, you need snaps. You need a set of snaps for this, which I have my snap press. And I have some snaps as well. So I have my silhouette on. I have it all set. This is the file. I will not be showing you everything on here just to respect the seller's information on here. This is available online through Etsy. You can purchase this. It's actually very affordable and super easy to follow through. Let's see. So this is my silhouette software. I already have them on here and this is how I'm facing them. So I can actually fit 2 of them, hopefully. We'll see how this goes. And this is all the pieces that the file opened up with. It came with this one and this one. I just copy and pasted and make 2 of them. I'm going to change the settings, put this on the mat, and we're going to try this. Alright. Alright, I'm nervous, but here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Can't go back now. Oh my god! I actually didn't use the settings all the way on with Silhouette Pud. Oh look, you guys, isn't this so cute? It looks like it's something that's trying to give you a hug. Aww. Oh my god. Oh, here's two more, hang on. These are actually kind of cute. Look at me, being aware again. I think I'm going to start putting these in an ornament, a Christmas ornament. A bunch of little confetti-looking dots in there. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and it's got like all the little holes already cut on there, and this cut on there, and it cut out beautifully. Like, oh my goodness. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Alright, let me get this one off, clean it up. I'm excited. Like, it cut so beautifully, and it was so easy, it was quick, and look how cute. And it looks like someone, again, is trying to give you like a little huggy. Oh. Except that I am just realizing that I did not look to see how this goes when I cut these. So someone's hearts are going to be upside down. Oh no. Yes, and I didn't realize that I was going to put the holes on it, so I don't even need that blue tool. But I might just keep it just in case. Meet envy with anger. I'm kidding. This is the snap press I have, and these are the parts I was talking about. These are the little pieces you can exchange, and it's great. It's amazing. I love it. The only thing that I didn't like initially was that this is hard when you're continuously pressing, and it does hurt your hands. So I kind of wrapped it on this, and it's all dingy and stuff, but you know, hey. Eventually I want to make actually like a handle cover that's like nice and padded, and it won't hurt my hand. So now on to the next step. I have snaps. I have the rivets with their pieces that I can now take these off and put those on there and in place. Alright, so I'm going to do the snaps first, and I'm going to do this one first. So you're going to have one facing one of these in the inside, and then one facing the outside, so when you go close it, then they work. There it goes. Alright. Yep, so it should look like this. With this side this way. That's that. This already has one in there that I put in there. Just make sure I had the right one on there. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Let's take that off because there's one already in there. Here it goes. Yes. Look at it. Okay, I had to take a moment. There's an adapter I was supposed to buy. I guess instead of this bottom piece. But I just pressed it against this and it worked. So the adapter is $10. It's $9.99 plus shipping. Would have known that, I would have put it together with all this. But it worked just fine against this, so I think I'm just going to keep doing it like that until I get the adapter. I just don't want to pay a lot of money for shipping for a piece this big. So I did went ahead and put this on. So this is the little piece over here. I do have one more still to do, so I'm going to show you that one. I did go with the 6. I think it's good. It's not too big and it works out. And I ended up doing the silver for that one because I didn't want to mess up the other ones first. They're kind of nice colors. So I'm going to, I am falling in love with this project, and the sun just came through, so it's going to be really, really bright again. I apologize. You take this, and you're going to put this here. You're going to take the one with the little long tail, I'm going to call it, and you're going to push it through from the back. So it's going to look like this. And you can just click this in place and it actually stays. Like, isn't that awesome? And same thing on the other side. Just put this through, grab this, tuck it in, clip this, and it just holds until you press it down, and you simply put it underneath the press with the adapter. I make sure to align this piece up top with the adapter here on the top and press down. seconds. It's done. And then this goes in like that. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, so let me grab some of these again. Let's see. 2 and 2. I am definitely buying more of these. I thought this was a lot harder, or going to be a lot harder, but I think once you know what you're doing, this is going to be maybe at most like a 5, maybe 10-minute project while you get all your things together, set up, get it from start to finish. You take this piece and fold it up. You take the back piece and align it with this. Then you take the front piece and you just align it all together. Oh my god. And then you have this. And there's your case. And it's got an opening for charging. Oh my goodness. You guys. I am ridiculously excited about this. Okay, let's just take a moment to talk about this. Look how small this is and look how cute this is. This could even pass as a doll's backpack or bag or like a toy. Isn't this beautiful though? Look. Like, that was the most simplest thing. It cut beautifully. It's completely done. I can't complain about this. I am actually really, really excited. Of course, the hearts are upside down on this one. But it's because I did it on the other side, so I'm not mad. I'm actually really impressed and excited. It was very simple. It's got a little opening for charging, and it looks about the right size now. At first I thought it was going to be really small, but you have this on the sides, up here. I think it makes it look really nice. It gives it a little touch. So note to self, if you have something with pattern like this, just be careful. Don't pull a knee of this. So I don't know of anyone who owns any, so I'm not entirely sure who to give it to, but the back side is correct. Hey! So I still have to finish the other one and see how that one turns out. I am just going to do this real quick. So we have now this piece together. And I might be getting hooked on a new hobby. And here it is. This is what it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? I love this. I absolutely love this. And these are very easy to open. As you can tell, you do have to pull hard on it a little bit, which is great because you want it to be here kept safe. And then you can just easily close it. So these are pressed down with, I consider this professional press. Basically, it's heavy, dude. This thing is heavy. I'm good. We're good. We're good. This is good. We made this work. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other one real quick and show you the two of them side by side. All right, so just finish up, just a quick little mini review at the end of this. If you have a cutting machine, you definitely don't need anything to press holes. Lesson learned. Should have just tried this first, but I'm gonna keep it either way in case anything else comes along and I need it. I'm going to keep that. My silhouette cut through this so beautifully. I did 10 and 33, so it just cuts through with no issues. I can probably play with this later on. I do have some pieces that I consider that are pretty much usable still, and you can get quite a bit out of this. I'm going to just clean this up and keep those and put them to the side. Don't press too hard if you have one of these. And I'm going to show you what happened to one side that I accidentally pressed too hard. It kind of messed it up a little bit. You can just see the underneath instead of being like a nice smooth surface. So these gently press down and it works. Again, this is the first time me working with these, so that's what I learned so far. If you're printing with a or cutting with a print, make sure you're looking which way your pattern's facing. This one's correct in the back. So obviously on the front, the hearts are facing the correct way. So just keep an eye out for that. They don't take much time. They were actually super easy and quick, a fun little project to make. Again, it's got the little hole on the down here for charging. All you need were snaps. the rivets and some fabric, and if you wanted to add this to it or anything else, you get that and add it onto there. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm excited, and this was a great learning experience and something that I will probably be looking at adding at my Etsy shop. So materials needed again were snaps, your rivets, and then I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, by the way. And then just whatever you're gonna use to press all this down with. I have my press, which I was able to use for both things, the snaps and these. So it works out. It was really great. And then just a sheet of these or whatever you want to get. And yeah, that's basically it. So with that being said, I'm actually going to end this video. I'm ridiculously excited about these. I'm going to take some pictures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me if there's something that you want to see or want me to try, and I will give it a try for sure at this point because I'm excited about this. I hope everyone has an amazing day. I will see you tomorrow with day number 3. This was a fun project. I'm glad I did it.